This is Roy Nakour from J. Joseph Salon and Spa, and this is a segment about styling tricks for thinning hair. So if you have thinning hair, you really want to try to always use a shampoo and conditioner that are volumizing. You have to prep the hair. So it starts with the foundation and then it goes on from there. So with Lauren, we started with a volumizing shampoo and conditioner. Then we made sure to towel dry her hair a little bit using a volumizing mousse towards the ends. And there are products out there that you can use only for the roots to give it that little bit of a boost. So we applied the products to the roots, then we put the volumizing mousse towards the ends. Then using the blow dryer, we power dried a little bit. You gotta be careful if you have thinning hair. You don't want to power dry too much because it has the tendency to dry too fast. So 50% dry, and then you want to start using a round brush. In this case, we used a round brush and we used it going upwards. That is going to boost your roots a little bit and give you that illusion of thicker, fuller hair. Also, after you apply the products, make sure you brush or comb your hair through. That's going to distribute the products evenly in your hair. As soon as we finished blow drying, Miss Linda is actually creating a little bit of curls on the ends. That's also going to give you a lot of voluminous illusion, especially when you start separating those curls with your fingers. A little teasing at the roots will definitely help boost your roots up. Side part really gives you the illusion of a voluminous look as well. All of those things together, when you are done, shake your hair around a little bit, make it a little bit messier, and voila. This is Roy Nakour from J. Joseph Salon and Spa, and this is a segment about styling tricks for thinning hair.